Unique Windows London, your best reliable choice for home improvements. Unique Windows is a family-run business based in Carshalton and serving London, Surrey and surrounding boroughs. We have been providing professional, quality installations for over 20 years for the domestic and commercial sectors. We offer a wide choice in windows, doors and conservatories, all with the latest secured by design technology, with their high energy efficiency and their modern styling and security features. Through our partner company, we also manufacture our products to ensure you pay affordable prices. At Unique Windows, we employ highly experienced fitters who ensure the highest possible quality standards, while also making sure they get the job done as quickly and tidily as possible. On this property, we installed all the windows, a Premier-line patio door and a Solidor composite front door with a bespoke glass pattern, where the customer sent us this image from the old door and we produced and fitted this door with the design they required. Our website shows the simple process from start to finish. Getting your windows and doors replaced is a big investment, so make sure you choose us to add value to your property. With our strong commitment to providing a quality service, you can rest assured that we'll take care of everything until job completion. Read our reviews on Which and Checkatrade. Call us today on 0208 770 7397 to arrange your no-obligation survey and quotation. Contact us through our website info@uniquewindowslondon.co.uk or through Twitter @UniqueWindows. Unique Windows London. Add a little uniqueness to your home.